Hello everyone, Tech for TV Eyes here. Welcome to another video on the Mantis Q40. Today we'll be discussing the Mantis Q40 date and time application. There are two ways to get to date and time. You can either use the spacebar to navigate through the menu to find date and time application, or you can use first letter navigation, D for date and time. So I'm going to hit D to get to date and time. Now this appears on my braille display, and I'm going to hit enter. Once in the date and time application, the current time will be displayed first. So I can see that it's 3:04 p.m. When you press the space bar, you will move to the next item, which is the current date. So I'm going to press space, and the current date is 4-28-2022, which is April 28th, 2022. If you would like to change the date and time, press Ctrl with M. You must be in the date and time application in order for this command to work. So I'm going to hit Ctrl with M. Once you press Ctrl with M, a few options will be displayed. The first option, Change Time, allows you to enter numeric values for hours and minutes. It also allows you to select AM or PM. The second option, which I'm going to get to by hitting space, is Change Date. This allows you to enter numeric values for the year, the month, and the day. The third option, Daylight Saving Time, allows you to toggle this setting on and off, depending on if you observe daylight saving time or not. The fourth option, Time Format, allows you to toggle between the 12-hour and the 24-hour time format. The fifth option, Date Format, allows you to select a preferred date format. I'm going to hit spacebar to get to this item, Date Format. This now appears on my braille display, and let's see what date format options are available by hitting enter. The first option available in this menu is day and month. The second option is day, month, year. The third option is month, day. The fourth option is month, day, year. The fifth option is year, month, day. And then you have the close button. So I'm going to hit enter on the close button. And now I'm back on the date format selection. In order to quickly check the time from anywhere on the Mantis, either use the command Control with Alt with T or Control with Function with T. In order to quickly check the date from anywhere on the Mantis, either use the command Control with Alt with D or Control with Function with D. This was using the date and time application on the Mantis Q40. Hope you enjoyed this video. This was Tech for TV Eyes, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.